Hi guys, my name is Laura. I'm the marketing director here at Captains Marine. The purpose of today's video is to show you the quickest and easiest way to text us for the first time. Last year we made our business landline textable, and it has been a game changer for keeping in touch with our customers. So here is the quickest and easiest way to get that done. You'll just go to Google and search Captains Marine. As soon as Google loads, you'll see the website button. You'll just go straight to our website. And when our website loads, you will see the Text Us button right there at the bottom of the screen. You can click that, and it'll automatically load a new text message. From there, you can schedule appointments or ask us questions or whatever you need to do to get in touch with us, and if you don't want to make a phone call. It's that easy. From that point, you can just save us in your phone and reach out to us anytime. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching.